Hey guys, so we have a needle felting kit here, and this is perfect for people who are creative and just like having a little bit to do with their hands. This is perfect for you. Of course, this is for adults only because it does have a lot of needles as well. So when you open it, it comes with everything it has to need to actually make a little dog. Here comes with different needles, different sizes, and everything you need to actually make it, with the little eyes and everything. And the felt itself, it comes with a lot of felt, so you can actually try your best on it and make it come out as perfect as it is. And here we have the actual little figure with a little strawberry. So we're going to try to make it today and see how it looks like in the end. What's cool is that it actually comes with the little tools you need to actually felt. And this is to keep your fingers protected while poking something. It does come with different sizes needles, as you can see. Little eyes and little keychain as well. Hey guys, so the finished product is done. As you can see, the little dog is done. We have the little tail. Of course, there's still flyaways, but that can be easily fixed with scissors and everything. But this was a fun project to do while passing the time. As you can see, the white belly and everything. This is so cute. It's not perfect as it says in the instructions, but it's so cute still. There is a lot of extra needle. There's felting, a lot of extra felting, just so you can make another dog if you want. Have them make a little buddy, but I'll do that later in a future project. It even still has all the materials inside, extra eyes, and the instructions again to do this again. This was all fun. Took me like a day, full day to finish this. Really took me 2 days, but if I did it nonstop, it would have taken me a day because I enjoyed doing this stuff. So here's this little strawberry. It's so cute. I used the light pink instead of the dark pink because I think it looks cuter. And yeah, this was super easy once I got the hang of it, and just a really fun project to do on your free times. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.